Welcome! If you've ever wanted to keep your favorite Instagram stories saved and easy to find, adding them to your highlights is the perfect solution. Today, I'll show you exactly how to add your Instagram story to an existing highlight using your Android phone. This is the updated method, so you'll be up to speed with the latest steps. First, unlock your Android device and open the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to add your story to a highlight. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping your profile picture icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now that you're on your profile page, look for your current story at the top of the screen. Tap on your story to open it. If you have more than one story, you can swipe through them to find the one you want to add. While your story is open, look to the bottom right corner. You'll see 3 dots labeled More. Tap on these 3 dots to open a menu of options. From the menu, tap on Add to Highlights. This will bring up a list of all your existing highlights. Scroll through your highlights and select the one where you want your story to appear. Simply tap on the highlight and your story will be added instantly. A quick tip: if you want to add the same story to more than one highlight, you can repeat these steps for each highlight. It's a great way to organize your content and make sure your followers can always find your best moments. And that's it. You've successfully added your Instagram story to an existing highlight, all from your Android device. This is a great way to keep your profile looking fresh and make your favorite stories last longer than just 24 hours. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks for mastering Instagram. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.